Hello YouTube, this is GarageSaleBlogger here. Welcome to today's video where we're going to tell you 5 tips on how to prepare for the sale. Let's get things going. Tip number 1, get the supplies. Make sure you have everything you need at least a day before the garage sale starts. You will need chairs to sit on, a table or other flat surface to take the payments and provide change, and plenty of areas to display your goods. Please do not waste your money on renting or buying tables. You can find or make enough surfaces to suit your needs. For example, I would gather up all of the card tables and patio furniture I can find for placing breakable items on. For example, smaller or non-breakable items, I would put board over 2 milk crates. For clothes, you can use a garment rack or hang them on hangers off the top of your garage door. Another huge tip, keep tables with breakables off to the side of your sale or against the fence. Unattended children love to run underneath tables, so more centrally located they are, the higher risk you run of the table being knocked over. Tip number 2, don't forget the change. Odds are you'll have to make $19.95 in change for your first customer. Make sure you have 5s, 1s, and at least $20 in quarters. You can get them from your bank, but you'll have to go inside a branch to do it. Another tip, ask a bank for a reusable cash envelope. Many branches are happy to give you one. You can use the envelope to run extra money back into the house throughout the garage sale so you won't have tons of cash lying around outside. Tip number 3, sort your items. Sort before your price. It's the easiest to keep your garage sale organized and make it easy on potential buyers. Dedicate a room in your house to garage sale planning and divide all of your items by categories such as clothes, books, home goods, and kids' toys. Another tip, if you have a lot of clothes, divide them by men's, women's, and children's. Most people are looking for something specific and will appreciate the organization. Tip number 4, price your items. It's best if you price your items individually rather than just group them into boxes with one price sign. As the garage sale progresses, people will get the boxes mixed up and you'll have a hard time keeping it organized. To price items, I just use a roll of manila tape and a Sharpie, which is a lot cheaper than going out and buying fancy price tags. A pro tip, don't increase your prices on the assumption that everyone likes to haggle. While many people do enjoy a good verbal match, some will just walk away if they think some items are priced way too high. The 5th and final tip, organize and arrange your sale. Arrange your tables and put all the clothes on hangers the night before the garage sale. No matter what you tell yourself, you won't have enough time to do it in the morning. I personally would arrange everything the night before and store it in the garage for safekeeping. Map out where everything will be placed to make the morning setup as easy as possible and to keep it in a logical and organized fashion for customers. Another pro tip, if you can't put everything in the garage the night before, group similar items into laundry baskets and boxes. You will save time in the morning if you have to pull items out of boxes that don't require further separation. Thank you for watching today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, GarageSaleBlogger, for more tips on how to organize a perfect garage sale. Thank you, everybody. Have a good one.